Do, do, do. Where you at? Right. Oh Lord, I didn't know I had my glasses on. What's up, everybody? It's Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. In this video, we're going to be shooting a live here with Miss Carolyn, who has bought the Galileo FX Forex trading bot. All right, she's going to introduce herself. Go ahead, Miss Carolyn. Tell everybody who you are and how you doing today.
Yes. Hi, everyone. Yep. I'm Caroline, and I'm so excited to be here with you all and the Common Sense Investor as I just purchased the Galileo FX bot maybe like about 2 weeks ago, maybe not even that long, maybe like last week it was installed. And so I'm still learning, and I'm excited, to learn from the best, the CSI. So thank you for having me.
I'm not the best, but I
Well, the
study
best for
hard.
me.
Yeah, I
Yes.
study hard. What we're going to be focusing on today is she wants me to walk her through the back office of the Galileo so she can learn how to start her trading with the bot. Okay. So, what she's first going to do, she's going to share her screen so I can see it. And I'm going to tell her what she needs to click on. See how simple this is going to be? So, please, Miss Caroline, if you will, share your screen and we can get
Okay.
started. And
Okay.
I'll turn my ugly face off.
Okay. I'm gonna open the bot back. Um. Okay.
I see you, Tanker. What's up, Grandpa Barney?
Okay. Let's share my screen. And let's see.
Y'all are about to enjoy what we're fixing to be working on. So if y'all just bear with us, let her get it set up to where she can show me what she's looking at, and we're gonna get started. Hey, Grandpa Barney. Oh, thank you, Grandpa. All right, here
Okay.
we
Can you?
go.
Okay.
Before we get started, Bear wanted to say hello. Get down. Okay, man. Get down. My dogs, boy. All right, you ready? You shared it? Where's it at? Let me see.
Okay.
Have you shared it already?
Yes, and I see at the bottom of my screen that I am, confirmation that I am sharing. Are you able to see it?
Uh, I'm gotta look for it. Hold on.
Oh, okay. No problem at all.
3. I haven't done this in so long. Captions, codes, music, notes, chat. Well, we had it just a minute ago, didn't we?
We sure did. Um,
Demonstration.
okay, let's see. Yeah.
That's not it. Trying to figure out how to get yours. It shows you're sharing your screen.
Yes, it does.
Where do I go? We know we're trying to get it fixed right now. Where do I go for that? Here. Test, new folder, default, designers. Captions, live, add a screen, camera, media, countdown. I don't know how to get you to share your doggone screen.
Okay. Yep. I see it on my end that it is sharing until I click the blue button to stop sharing. But on my end, it's saying that it's sharing. Um,
Let me go see what it looks like on YouTube.
okay.
Nothing ever works right.
That's how it is sometimes.
It's the devil. I can't figure this shit out. I don't want to share mine. I want her, Caroline. I just made you huge, so that's good. Oh, this is so terrible when people show up for the live stream and you can't figure out how to get it going. Add a screen, no. Presentation, no. Welcome. I just don't get it. Oh, I know what it is. I bet. Hold on one second. I know what it is. Go to the Discord real quick.
Okay.
Close out of that live stream.
Close up.
This link. You're still in the old chat.
Okay. Okay. I'm out now, and I'll go back to Discord. I'll see you all shortly.
I'm sending it to you right now. Now I bet you can get in there now. What happened, everybody, was we was practicing before we came on so I could get her accustomed to the buttons and where everything was so that it'd be easier for her to understand when I go to walk her through it and y'all would be watching. And we was in another live stream doing that, trying to record the live stream. She was still in that room. She'll be showing up any moment over here, I'm sure. Where you at, Miss Caroline? Chats. All right, there she is.
Okay, so I'll go back to share the screen.
Now share your screen. I bet you we can see it now.
Okay. Window, and let's go back like this, and let's see. Okay, I'm sharing.
Let's see. Can she show her screen? Yes, she can, because she is the host this afternoon. Now, let me blow it up full screen so I can see. Now, everybody, if y'all are ready, I'll clip all that out of the live whenever YouTube finishes processing it. But Miss Caroline, are you ready?
I believe so. Are you ready?
I am just, you can't imagine how excited I am to be able to share my knowledge with someone else that I know that it might could help them.
I
First
appreciate
thing you're going to
it.
want to do, You've got
Okay.
your symbol over there on the bottom left-hand side with the X.
Yes.
Close it.
Okay.
Now, go up to View.
Okay.
And you said it was called your toolbox.
Yes.
Okay. See how it popped up at the bottom?
Yes.
Whenever that's where all your orders are going to come in, your buys, your sells, because you're going to be selling short, buying long, and all that good stuff. You're going to be having an awesome time.
Absolutely.
There, all your orders are going to show up right there. Now, I see you got Galileo FX on both of them. So now go over to one of your, let's see, I can't make out the first one. It's the 38.39 over there.
That's the Euro USD pair.
Okay. Right click on that chart.
Anywhere in the chart?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And a pop-up menu should pop up. I might not be
Okay.
able to see it.
Yes, it's popped up.
Okay. Want you to go to where's that at? Let's see. Go back to where I can see you. Okay. Go up to, let's see, because yours looks different than mine. You're going to go across the top and you're going to see a button that says candlesticks. One
Okay,
says line.
Okay, would that be when I right clicked on the chart? Because I do
No,
see
ma'am.
candlesticks there.
No, ma'am.
Okay, come out of there.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Well, if you see sticks there, yes. If you candlesticks there, and let's see if it changes your screen to candlesticks.
Okay. Okay, I clicked it there. It doesn't seem like anything has happened. So,
Okay. I'm looking across the top, and you see right there in the division of your charts, you see algo trading, new order.
yes.
Keep going, and you're going to see the candlesticks.
Yes.
Next, right there. Click that.
Click on.
Click that.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Now go hover over a candlestick and right click it.
Okay, now on my end, it doesn't look like anything happened. It looks like something is trying to happen. The circle is spinning next to
Yeah.
the cursor.
Try going down to a candlestick itself where it's light green
Okay,
on the other side.
on the okay, on the
It doesn't.
Euro USD side, on the left side, correct?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. And
Tell you
click on
what,
a candle. I'm sorry.
right click on a candle and see what happens.
Okay.
Because you're on MetaTrader 5 and I have MetaTrader 4.
Yes.
See yours? Shit. I'm trying to find mine as well.
Okay.
so I can, because they're charts, objects, bar charts, candlesticks. You got you got that at the top of yours. Let's see.
On the drop down. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you got a charts tab. You got a charts tab at the top. Click that.
Okay. I believe, let me see. I believe.
I can't see your drop down.
Okay. I see line chart. Let's see.
No, and then that the next to it.
The candlestick.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I'm clicking candlesticks.
And nothing happens.
It doesn't seem to be. Um,
Okay, I'll get back with you on that lesson. I thought it was going to be easier. I'll figure out how to do it on the MetaTrader 5. But okay, here's the first thing you're going to want to learn is you want to run a back test. Or let's blow up your candles first. Go up back up to the top and you see the plus magnifier and the minus magnifier.
yes.
Click on your plus and it'll make your candles
Okay.
bigger.
Okay. Looks like they did get.
All right, now if you look, blow them up again because I'm blind. All right, now look over there on that chart at the top. Somewhere around the top, you should see a little triangle. It's going to be close to the edge, it looks like, and you're going to pick it up and pull it. You see anything there that you can grab?
On the right-hand side after MT5?
Yeah.
Yep, it looks like.
Yeah, you're right where it should be.
Okay. So I should drag it?
Yeah, drag it over towards the center.
Okay.
No, stay up top. Stay up top. Stay up top. Go back up. It's going to stay up there at the top. You're just going to drag it across the top. And it's going to move your candles over.
Okay, so click on it and then drag.
Click on and drag it to the other side.
Okay.
And it should move your candles. No, don't go down.
Okay. It looks like I'm
All right, let me show. I got an idea. Let me show you my screen.
okay. So should I stop sharing?
I'm not sure. Let's
Okay,
see.
I won't.
Let me see which one of ours. Yeah, stop sharing.
Okay.
And then mine should come up. Okay, that's mine.
Okay.
All right, and if I can get away, I don't think I will. Okay, can you see right here where my pointer's at?
Yes.
There's a little triangle there. And it's going to be right above the last candle.
Okay.
See? So that when I pick it up and I drag it this way, the candles move. I could pick it up and drag it further and it goes to the center. See?
Yes.
Or I could drag it back and have it closer to the edge. Can you see what I just did?
Yes.
Okay, try it on yours. You don't have to share. Just try it and see if you can grab it and pull your candles.
Okay. I seem to be able to go up and down, but it doesn't seem to be going across the way yours is. I don't know if that's the difference between MT4 and MT5, but
Well, you should be able to move your candles over. There's a you'll catch on to it.
yes.
One day
but the candles are moving.
Huh? They are moving
The
now?
candles, they are moving, yes.
When you drag something?
When I drag something. Yep. When I
Yeah,
drag
that's
like
that
that
little,
little, like, yep.
it looks like a little triangle to me, a little gray triangle to
It,
me.
yes, it does. It even almost looks like a cap, like that goes with a cap and gown, like a graduation
Yes.
cap. It almost looks like that to
Yes.
me too.
All right.
But yep.
Share your screen again. What I'm trying to do now is remember how one depth integrator objects, expert frames, templates.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen again.
Oh, I got y'all. Okay. Now we're gonna get somewhere. You sharing it?
I am sharing it. I'm not sure if you're seeing it, but I am sharing it.
I'm not seeing it. It's not
Okay, because
asking.
I do have like that. Um, I do have that confirmation that I'm sharing. Um,
All right. You can't get it to share?
well, on my end, it says that it's sharing, but I'm not sure why it's not showing up on your end. But I do have that it's sharing. I can
Hmm.
stop and then try again.
No. Um, let's see. Are are you sharing the bot?
Yep, I'm sharing that screen that has the candles, the
Okay.
EUR USB screen.
Doggone it. I wanted to be able to see what you was working on so I could show you. All right. Stop sharing.
Okay. Okay, I stopped sharing.
All right. Start sharing again. Share and go to the windows and go to your bot. And I'll see if I get an invitation then. Yes,
Okay,
there it
I
is.
just,
All right.
okay.
Now we're about to have some fun.
Okay. I'm having fun already though, but
You're going to right click on your chart.
okay.
And
I
down
right.
at the bottom of
Mhm.
your menu, you're going to see properties.
Yes, I see that. So I
Okay.
should go ahead and
See,
go ahead.
oh yeah, click it, and
Okay.
it's going to open up a menu with colors and everything.
Yes, I see that.
All right, let me see if I see it. See, I
Okay.
don't get to see it. Okay, but now you see it. So you see bars down and bars
Yes.
up. Make the
Yes.
bars make the bars up a lime green.
Yes, it's already lime green.
Okay, the bar down should be red.
Okay, let me change that to red because that says lime green as well, but I'm going to change it to red. Okay, done.
The next one, bull candle, should be lime
Okay.
or green.
Okay.
Then bear candle is red.
Okay. Well, I got orange
Lion,
red. Should I make
that's
it like
fine. Yeah.
just,
No. It's just making the bars red and green so you can know what's up and down.
Okay.
Then
Yep,
the
I see.
line graph green, volume line green.
Okay, so line chart green, that's already lime. That's okay. Volumes, it says lime green.
That's great.
Um,
Ash
that's
line, it should say red.
ax, yep. What about
Stop.
bid price? It says bid price line light slate gray. Is that okay?
I don't see that's not an option on mine. So
Okay.
I'm guessing that it's okay.
Okay. I believe it's okay too.
When you click
'Cause it,
OK, you should now have those green and red candles on your chart.
why that changed? Let's put it back.
Please
Okay.
work, please work.
Let's see. I don't know. Something I clicked and it changed something, but I think that's okay. Oh, yeah. No, I see something. Give me 1 second. I'm sorry. I
That's fine.
slid my cursor over something that changed the color of the bid price line, and I'm just trying to get it back to the way it was. But okay, yeah, that should be okay. Okay, so I'm gonna click OK. All right.
Now, see if you can grab those candles and pull them over like you did earlier.
Okay, with the little triangle.
Yeah.
Let me see. Okay. See. Okay, it's moving.
Well, you got to keep it at the top and move it across the top.
See, mine's won't go across the
Oh,
top.
okay.
It looks like, yeah, it looks like mine's, I have to go down to move the candles. I don't know if that's the difference between the Meta 4 and the Meta 5.
It might be.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But
So,
okay, but the candles are moving when I go down, and I want to go up or
first go hit your magnifying glasses
okay, let me
that
do
make it
that.
smaller.
Okay.
Then you can see your pattern. See, you're starting able to see your pattern. Now you can adjust it to how you can see it best, something like that. Now
Okay.
you can make it bigger again.
Let me make it bigger again.
Yeah, make it bigger again.
Okay.
Okay, that's cool. Now go over to. I got to look at mine because I can't see yours. Insert indicators.
Yep.
Trend,
Okay.
and then you'll see Bollinger Bands.
Yes.
Right, that's what I use. So you can click on Bollinger Bands, and Bollinger Bands ought to show up on your chart.
Yes. The window is here on the chart.
It showed up.
Yes.
I don't see them.
Yeah. The little window, Bollinger Bands, is open, and then there are 3 tabs within that
Oh,
window.
okay. Just
Hmm.
hit OK. Yeah,
Okay. I don't need
that's
to
in case
change any numbers or anything
I
here.
don't.
Just
I
hit.
didn't. I didn't, and it works fine. Now you'll
Okay.
watch videos that'll tell you how you can reset it to this number, and I've tried them, but I've learned that the basic setting, whoever made it knew what they was doing.
Okay. Okay. So I'll click OK. All right. I clicked
All right,
OK.
now they're there. Do you know how to read Bollinger Bands?
I can't say that I do.
Okay, well, just you get a chance. Just remember, you're going to want to watch a video about Bollinger Bands, so you'll know how to
Okay.
tell whenever it rises up or down, and you get used to knowing how it's supposed to work, and you get excited because when it gets all the way to the top, like it's time for it to pull back now, and it just helps cheer you on.
Okay.
All right, now right click on that chart,
Okay.
and it should tell you templates and save template.
Okay. Templates and then save template. Yep.
Okay. And if it asks to give it a name, you can give it Forex template or whatever.
Okay. I'll name it that. 4X template. Okay.
Now, this is
Okay.
going to be fun. Or at least whenever I learn something new, I always get excited.
Yes.
Did
Same
it
here.
save? Did it
It
save
did.
to your
Yes. I see.
computer? To
Yes.
your computer? Okay. Now go over to the one that's green and right click.
To a candle that's green.
No. The next chart. The next
Oh,
chart
okay.
over.
Okay. So
Right
this is
click.
another pair.
Yeah, this is another chart.
Yeah. Okay. I right clicked.
All right. You're going to see templates again.
Yes.
Load template.
Okay.
And it ought to open your computer up to where you can go to that file.
Yes.
Okay. Say okay.
So
Or
open the Forex template file that I just saved on the other
yeah,
chart.
over there.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Now it says open.
Boom. You
Okay.
see that?
Yes.
All right. Now reach over there and grab one of them by the edge and open it up to where I can see some gray behind it.
Okay. Either pair. It doesn't matter which one.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I just want to have room so I can see another one.
Okay.
That made it big.
Oh, that's not what you meant.
No, that made it the whole thing. You have to go up and you'll see the little box. There you go. How'd you do that?
Right here to make the whole window bigger.
Okay, because there's a button on mine that'll do it. Spread them open a little bit so we can see some gray. You just grab one of them in the middle and pull down. Come down. No. Come down. Let me
Okay.
show you. Hold on. Let me share my screen. Or it's pretty simple. If you see the divider, the gray divider between the two of them,
Yes.
you see how it changed? Now scoot it over. Pull it over.
Okay.
Now pull it the
Yes.
other
Okay.
way. Pull it the other way. The other
Pull it
way.
the
The
other
other
way.
way. I
Okay.
stop.
Okay. Okay.
Now go over there to your list. You'll see USD CAD.
USD CAD.
Right there.
Yep. Yes.
Pick it up and grab it and put it in the gray space. Now, right click.
Okay.
Load your template. Go template, load template.
Templates. Okay.
Instead of
Load.
going in there and resetting everything by hand, you just load your template now to all of them.
Okay. Okay.
Now, I'm curious if yours, let me see what mine looks like. Yeah, it is. It looks like the same one. Now, to get them all lined up, if you go up there, you see your two magnifying glasses, your plus and your minus.
Yes.
See the boxes next to them?
Yes.
Click it, and everything
Okay.
should line up.
Yes.
So
It arranged the
whenever
windows.
whenever everything gets screwy, and trust me, it does, because you're going to learn to pull these and hide that one and open this one. You just go right there and you click that, and it's going to line everything back up for you. Now, if you Windows full and you want to find another currency, then you grab the currency and you just drop it on the gray bars, and it'll open
Okay.
up.
Okay. Sounds good. Right now, I have the Euro USD and the Great British Pound USD pairs, I purchased those with the Galileo FX Pro. So once I go live, those will be the two pairs that I'm trading for now anyway. I can of course add pairs on later, but the
Okay,
two pairs
I'm not sure how all that works.
okay.
But it won't matter. It won't matter. Now,
Mhm.
let's go to what's next. You're going to need to click on each one of these, and it's going to be a lesson. The Euro USD, go over there and right click it. And this is how we're going to get into starting the settings.
Okay.
And you're going to see a expert advisor.
With the right click.
Yeah, when you right click, the menu will open up. And on the menu, you'll see expert advisors.
Okay, I right clicked and there's a little menu that opened up, but it doesn't, I don't see.
Okay,
Um,
you must click on something. Make sure you're in black whenever you click,
okay, let me
and
see.
it'll give you a big one.
Oh, okay, yeah, you're right. I had to click on
Okay,
where it
yeah.
was black.
See,
Okay, so
you might have been clicking on a line, and it's wanting to know about the changing of the whatever you clicked on. This right
yes,
here, you click on black, and you're going to get this menu. Okay,
yeah, okay,
go down to expert advisors, and you'll see strategy tester.
okay. I see. Let me make sure I don't see it, but I see expert list on mine, but I
Does it
don't.
does it have a little arrow
It has
where
like a little,
to
almost
where
like a. Mm-hmm.
it opens up and says strategy tester?
Let me see when I click on it. Um, it took me to another window that said experts, and then it lists the three windows that we have open, the three charts that we have open.
And you don't see nothing that says strategy tester? Let me come back over
No,
here.
let me go back maybe
One
to
of these. Okay, here's you can go. You can get there from another way though. Let's see. Gotta open it up big so I can see yours. You looking for magnifying glass?
should I click on the magnifying glass?
No, there's a particular magnifying glass. Let's see, because I'm trying to find it in the menus. Let's
Okay.
see. Insert, view, charts. Uh, oh, I wish you had 5. I mean 4. Okay, go to view up at the top. Do you
Yes. Okay. I
do you
clicked
see
on view.
do you see strategy tester?
Yes, I do.
Click on strategy tester, but it should ask you what stock. Okay,
Okay. I clicked on it.
and something
Um,
at the bottom should open.
um, yeah, the bottom is open with all of the tabs on the bottom, trade, exposure, history.
No, something's not
No.
right. Go back up there and click it again.
Okay. View and then strategy tester.
All right. See, I seen something like do it one more time. I seen something move.
Yes, I did too. But I saw something move as well, but okay, it does say strategy tester at the very
Okay.
bottom.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Now come over towards the middle past journal. I see what the problem is. Scroll across them tabs at the bottom.
Yes.
You'll see journal.
Yep. I see
All
journal.
right, keep going. Stop.
Okay.
All right, now what you want to do is till your cursor changes to arrows, and you're going to want to drag it up because it's hiding down there. Keep dragging. Yeah, keep dragging. It's okay. Don't worry about it. All right. Now, what is all that? Settings down at the bottom. This
Oh,
doesn't look
yep.
like that.
Yeah, it looks on the left, it
Single.
does say, let me move this up a little more. On the left, all the way to the left, it does say strategy tester. And then everything that's included in that window, there are a couple of tabs: overview, and then settings, inputs,
I see
agents,
that.
and journal. Mhm.
See, that's not what mine looks like. All right, go up to one of your currencies, the Euro USD, and in the
Okay.
black, right click and see if it'll say strategy tester.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. I don't see it on the list in this window.
Well, I'll be damned. And I don't see I don't know how you get there from here, darling. It's got to be settings, but it won't know which currency.
Okay. Should I click on this settings tab
Yeah,
in the
let's see what it
strategy
says in
tester?
settings. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
All
Okay.
right,
I just clicked. Okay.
that's what I'm wanting. Now you can
Okay.
go ahead and pull it on up a little bit more so you can see everything.
Okay.
Wow, you got some stuff in yours. Example moving averages. Wow.
Yeah,
All right,
it was
that
already
first one,
pre-populated. Hmm.
15-minute custom period. Field delays, deposits, optimization, balance, profits and pips, select the delay, 15-minute candles. All right, see where it says symbol?
Yes.
Click on it and look for Euro USD.
Okay. I guess I should go down to Forex and then it says majors. Okay, here we go. Euro USD. Okay, click
All
on
right.
that.
On the date, on the first date, you want to put it for like a month away, which would have been, or let's say August 15th.
Okay.
And set the other date to today.
Okay.
Man, it's getting hot in here.
Okay. September
Okay,
3rd. Okay.
every tick, deposit, 1 for 1. All right, down there where it says optimization,
Uh-huh.
do the Euro USD again.
Okay. Um Okay, my drop down in optimization says all symbols selected in Market Watch or disabled. slow complete algorithm, fast generic based algorithm, or all symbols selected in Market Watch. So those are my
All right.
options.
Yeah,
4
it's
options.
already there. It's already there for all symbols. This is going to be interesting because mine doesn't do what I think yours is about to do. All right.
Okay.
Now go over and hit
So
deposit. Deposit. Let's say you started with $1,000.
okay. Ooh, what did I do? I think I clicked something that I shouldn't have with delays.
Uh,
My cursor,
we'll
my
figure it
cursor
out.
jumped up. Okay.
We'll figure it
1,000.
out. That
Okay.
$1,000. Now go hit start over on the other side. And let's see what happens. I know what happens when I do it. It should take a
Okay, now,
minute.
okay, where it says optimization, leave that there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, let's click start.
And it's going to take a minute. You should see a little green bar. I have a little green bar. Oh, let's see it up there. It's
Yep.
moving up top. All right, you heard the squeak.
Yes.
Okay, that means it was done. Now let me see the report here because mine's different. Okay, go back to setups. This is where the fun comes in. Or excuse me,
Oh,
settings.
okay. Go back to settings.
Uh, go to 5 minute. See where it says M15.
Yes.
Hit it. Change it to 5 minute
Okay.
and start. That son of
Okay.
a bitch ran fast for
Yeah.
an optimization. My optimization takes forever. Still
Okay.
showing
That
no
might.
trades. It's not taking any trades. All right. Um, go over to the X for the strategy tester and close it
Okay.
out
Okay.
because it shows it's not going to take a trade. All right. Now see up top where you see moving averages. You can close that one out. There'll be one behind it. So it opened up whenever we was just working.
Okay. So I can close. I should close this one out as well.
Yes, ma'am. Now let me go
Okay.
real quick and look at mine. Close out my strategy. You gotta have strategy tester open. I'm gonna have to switch to 5 because I'm sure a lot of people are gonna go with 5 and they're gonna need help. And I could show you all day long how to do it on mine, but I'm using 4 and yours is different.
Right.
Well, let's see. Let me show you. All right. First off, let me ask you, do you have any questions? I mean, I
Um.
can't. That's your trade button. If you scoot over, you'll see history.
Yes.
Click click on history and see how there's nothing there. That's because
Right.
you haven't made a trade yet. All right. So
Right.
you can go back to trade. You're just going to wait till you get a trade. And whenever you get trade finishes, you can look at it in the history. But I don't know how. Oh, over there where you see them folders, scroll down for me.
Along the
You're right,
bottom
almost
here.
above it. No, go up to the left,
Okay,
right
right
there.
here.
Scroll down for me, and let me see something. One of them's
Okay.
going to say Galileo. There it is. All right,
Right
stop.
here.
Yeah, see Galileo, pull it over and put it on that first one. And see if it changes up there in the right-hand corner.
Okay, it's asking me, do you really want to attach Galileo
Yes.
instead of, okay. Yes.
That's half the problem.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes. The
Now,
Galileo FX Pro MT5 1.00 window is open.
now go up to at the top right where it says that Galileo stuff and click on that icon up there and see what opens. Tell me what opens.
Within this Galileo
No,
FX
ma'am. No,
window?
no, 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 no,
Oh,
no, no. That's a buy. You see the little graduation hat.
yeah.
All right, go over there. You got to be on the other one. Your
Okay, let me
first one.
close
Your
this.
first.
Okay. Okay, so
Wait a minute. It's gone now.
yeah, that's
You
when I
got to
close that.
just drag it back, and it'll ask you. Now you see the
Okay,
little icon. When you click it, what happens?
I can't click it as long as this window is open.
Which window?
Unless, okay, when I dragged the Galileo FX Pro MT5 over, a window opened up.
What does it say?
It says a list of things. There's two tabs. The first tab is common, but it automatically opened the tab that says inputs. And then in
Okay,
one column,
wait. That's right. That's right. That's right. In the first one that says, let me go over here and do it. What am I doing? I am opening. Okay, common. You see common?
yes.
See where if you click on it, you'll see the choices allow live trading.
Right.
Turn it off.
Okay, there are two choices, and neither one of them are clicked. The first choice says allow modification of signal settings, and then the second one says allow algo trading, but neither one of those boxes are checked.
Okay, don't worry about it then. I was going to tell you to uncheck them because
Okay.
what's going to happen is if you close out and you come back and it's still allowed to trade, that algo's allowed to trade, it'll trade in a second and you wasn't wanting it to. And man, I just lost $7 on a trade like that. Okay, so when you get ready, we're going to turn it on. Now go to inputs.
Okay. Okay, I'm back at inputs.
Shit, somebody's making money somewhere. Wait, I closed it down. I made $1.18 on that one while I was talking to you. Yay!
Yay.
That's what this is about. You get this thing set up to where you could just say, I'm going to the grocery store. I went grocery shopping. I just looked at my phone to see what happened while I was doing it. All right. So where we at?
We're on the inputs tab, and there are some numbers already here.
Okay.
Lots, risk.
Lots. Let's talk about lots.
Okay.
Okay. Now, we get on mine. Where am I at? Over here. Lots. Lots is how much of your money do you want to put up? All right. In one trade. Do you want to put up a full lot, which is 100,000, I think? Switch over here. I can tell you exactly. It's 100,000 of the currency, or you get a micro lot or a mini lot. But the smaller the lot, the less money you're wagering. Yeah, 100,000. It's 100,000 of the currency. Now, what I'm not a financial advisor, and this ain't financial advice. But the first lesson that you need to learn is you're gonna lose money. All right. There ain't no way around it. There ain't nobody that don't do it. All right. But what you do is you manage how much you lose, and you manage that with your lot size. Now, for beginners who are just learning how to use the bot, I suggest 0.01 as your lot size.
Okay.
Because then if it moves up one, you make 10 cents. But if it moves down one, you lose 10 cents. But if you move up in lots to where it's 0.10, you're losing $1 or you're gaining $1. And if you move it up to the full one, that's you're making money, but you got to learn how to do it first.
Mm-hmm.
So you got it set on 0.1.
Well, that was going to be the next thing. I can't really see how to change it. Like,
Okay,
for example,
you go over it and you just double click on the 0 or whatever's there.
Okay, yep. Okay, I just did that, and it did change to where I can edit the number.
0.01.
Point. Oh, let's see. 0.01. Oh, okay. Here we go. 0.01.
And then when you hit enter, it should close it out to where it's locked in there now.
Yes, correct.
All right. The next is risk in percent. All right. Experts, and when I say experts, I mean people with a lot of money, they use a 1. Moderate is 2, and aggressive is 3. So I use a 3 because I'm aggressive, but I control it with how many lots I use. So you would double click that and you would put 0.03.
0.03. Got it.
And when your money starts building, you can lower it or you can raise it. It all depends on you, but no more than 3% of your balance will ever be used in a trade. Okay.
Okay.
Now 3% is going to be used in the trade. You see the one underneath it where it says max orders?
Yes.
What's your number?
0.
That's going to kill you.
That's
right.
what it automatically is calculated as. Put it that way.
I know. And they should change that, because what happens is if you're on the 5-minute chart and it just bought, and then 5 minutes later it's going to scan again. And if it scans again and says it's still bullish, it buys another one. And every 5 minutes it buys if it's at 0. So you don't want that to happen. You don't want more than one order at a time. And if you want another order, you can do it manually just by clicking up top.
Okay.
So you want a max order of 1, or at least I use a max. You can move it to 2, but I would never have more than 2.
Okay, so I'll do 1, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll change that to 1.
You're going to put it on 1 if you wanted to buy only one order at a time. You don't want 5 or 6 orders of the same currency.
Okay, if I wanted to purchase, if I wanted an order for the Euro USD and the GBP USD, would that mean I would need to change that value to a 2, or is it still 1 order per pair?
1 order a pair. You're going to do the next pair in just a minute.
Okay.
And I'm going to let you walk me through it and tell me what you're going to set it up as. And then we're going to say yes or no. Then we're going to do 2 more pair. And then by that time, you'll be an expert in fixing this.
Okay.
because you're going to close it out. And when you close stuff out, what's going to happen is you're going to have to reset all this, or you set it now and it's good to go until you want to change it yourself.
Okay, so every time we close out the bot and come
A
back,
window, a
a
window
window, a
with the
window.
X. If you close out a chart with the X and you open it back up, all that'll be changed.
Okay. Okay. And it's probably a good idea to check it anyway every day, even
It is.
though.
You're going
Okay.
to check. You're going to look at this right here, depending on your training or trading. I do it for a living. So I look at this right here 35, 40 times a day. I'm rearranging it because I want to go up in lot size. If I have a losing trade on the USD Japan, then I'll go up a lot on the next one because I'm pretty sure it's going to be a winner, like I'm gambling. So I'm in here all the time. If you're only going to be trading and set your bot and let it work all day for you, you'll look at it maybe once a day.
Okay.
But you will. You said you're already trading with just two currencies. But these are the settings you want to write down so you don't forget. Lot size 0.01.
Yep.
And if it don't look like it's making enough money for you, because see, the reason you start off at lot 0.1 is you're going to make a lot of mistakes and you're going to lose some money, but you're only going to lose a couple of dollars because you only got it set on 0.01.
Yes.
Mine's moved up to 3 and 4 now. And sometimes I use 5. But I started off with 1 for the first 2 weeks of my trading because I knew I was going to lose because I didn't know what I was doing. So I wanted to keep my losses real low until I learned.
Yes.
So we got lots at 0.1. Risk is at what?
0.03.
Okay. Max orders is what?
1.
All right. Now scroll down and you're going to see stop loss.
Yep.
That is going to depend on you. Everybody's different. Me, like I say, I'm day trading all day long. So I got mine set at 100 because it's going to move up or down. If it moves down 10 points, I'll stop out. I do that when I'm getting ready to go to bed or something, so I don't lose no money. All right, that keeps me from losing too much. Now, my other strategy for the one below it is you take profit. Now, most people say my stop loss is 100, so my take profit needs to be 200. I don't believe that principle. I believe in scalping them. My daddy taught me you can nickel and dime them to death. All right, and nickel and dimes make dollars. So I set mine at 100. Well, I started out at 150 on the stop loss. And if your stock, or excuse me, if your currency stops out, you're going to lose probably $2. So that's not too bad.
So your stop loss in points is 150. That's what you set yours on? Set yours at?
That's what I set mine on when I began. And then as I learned and watched how the chart worked and everything, it's down to 100. But since I'm sitting here, I can modify it. I can drag my stop loss up and down whenever I want to. So it's just something to have in the computer for the bot in case you go shopping or you go to bed and the stock, I mean, the currency goes to crashing, you can't lose more than $2.
Mm-hmm. So what do you set your take profit in points at?
I set my take profit at 80.
At 80, okay.
But now, once I learn how to scan with the MetaTrader 5, I'm going to download it as soon as we're done, and I'm going to start working with it and learning how to use it to scan. But again, my take profit moves up and down. If I get in a currency and that sucker jumps my way real quick, man, I'll drag back take profit up. I'm gonna give it a chance to breathe a little and see. But I'm sitting there. But if you're not sitting there, I set mine at 80. And when it closes out, you make about, with a one lot, you make about $2 or $3, but you're in the learning stage.
Mm-hmm.
And in 2 weeks, you'll be doing this like it ain't nothing. You'll be teaching
Yeah.
people how to do it.
I sure hope so. And I appreciate your confidence in me.
Okay. So we got stop loss at 150, take profit at 80. Now they suggest a trailing stop of 40. What that means is if it gets up to 80, it'll move your take profits a little higher and your stop loss a little higher, so you get more profits. So they suggest a 40.
And that's trailing start?
Yes, trailing start in points.
Right, at 40.
At 40.
Okay.
I've heard several people recommend that.
Okay, so I need to change this number because right now it's at 0. So I'm going to change it to 40.
Okay.
Okay, I did that.
Mine's at 40 also.
Okay.
Now, the next two are super, super, super important. But
okay, before you go to that CSI, should I change the trailing step in points? Because I changed. Okay, leave that at 0.
Yeah, I haven't seen them suggest. When I say them, I mean either the support team's got a YouTube channel or somebody else that's doing videos concerning Galileo. They leave it at 0 as far as I've seen.
Okay. Okay, I just wanted to just double check on that. Didn't mean to cut you off.
This part right here, the trailing starts and the trailing steps, is what I'm studying right now. So in about 2 days, I'll be an expert in what the hell that means. But I just know now they've suggested 40 and 0.
Okay. Okay.
Now, you ready?
I'm ready.
The next two, I can't answer what they are because you got to do a scan. What I do, and they said you don't have to, but I mean that's where we can agree to disagree. I believe a back test is important because it helps you establish what the trend is, and the computer, the algorithm will scan the currency on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour daily candles. And it'll tell you which one will make you money that day. But I don't know how to show it to you because you got the number 5. I'll have to look at that. And you're in the Discord now. I'll put you in the Discord. So I'll message you and tell you that, okay, I'm ready to talk about the trailing. I mean, how to scan it. Because without scanning it, you're really banking on losing money because you don't know the trend.
Is that right when we set those dates? Like we set a date from I think August 15th to today. Is that what that means?
Okay. Yes. What you done was you told the computer to look back from August 15th to today and tell me which settings is best for my bot
Right.
where I'll make the most money. And it'll give you a list. And it's going to tell you to put the conservative bullish on 5 and the consecutive bearish on 4 for 1. But then when you go to your next currency, it's going to tell you need to put it on 2 and 3 to make money. Because if you have it on the wrong one, you're almost guaranteed to miss.
Okay. And how far back do you usually go? Like, for example, today we went back to the 15th to today.
Yes.
So that's almost about 2 weeks. Is that
Yes.
what you normally do? Do you
Yes.
ever go back? Because I think in one of your videos I saw you go back 5 days.
I went back 5 days. I went back 3 months. And as I was sharing with everybody, I was testing to see which one was best. And then I got with a friend of mine who's also a trader, and we were discussing it, and we came to the same conclusion that as a day trader, as somebody who's looking to get in, get up and get out, and which is what we all need to be doing, having a conservative setting of 3 weeks would tell us what the trend has been in that 3 weeks. I don't need to know what the trend was 4 months ago.
Right.
Because they had all kind of news in there and you get a lot of noise. So if I back it up to 3 weeks and then I work that whenever I scan, I wait until Friday and then I'll move it up a week. Friday evenings, the market closes and I reset everything. I move my calendar up a week and get ready for the next week. So I'm not a month now, I'm 3 weeks. But I wait till Friday to do that.
Yes.
And you're only going to have to do it once. Once I learn how to scan and I come back and I show you how to scan, then we'll show you how to input the numbers. But is this a demo account that you got going on right now?
I do have a demo account that I'm working with. This balance 0, I think I'm not sure, but I believe that could be considered when I go live or when I fund it. But I have a demo account that I'm going to be working with to get used to, the settings and until I get used to it. And then I'm going to go live. But I don't know when that will be, of course, whenever I feel comfortable. But I do have a demo account.
Absolutely. When you feel comfortable. And remember, when you do get ready and you do get started, the setting there is what you're going to want it on. You go over to and do the next chart and the next chart to say the same thing. 0, 1 lot, only 1 max order, 3 on your what was it? Risk that it was going to tell you.
Yep.
And your stop loss and your trail. And you're ready to start practicing. Now, here's the thing. Start out with the settings I gave you in your demo account also. And I'll tell you why. I personally don't believe in demo accounts because when you're using a demo account, you're taking more risk than you normally would. I'm risking monopoly money here. I'm not risking my rent, so you're not going to make the same decisions all the time in a demo account. I'll take an extra risk. And sometimes that can be helpful because it helps you learn to be braver in your decisions. But as far as I've learned in my life, I heard a man tell my brother one time when he was teaching him how to play cards, son, you're going to lose a lot before you win a little. So you got to look forward to losing. And when you do scan, it's going to tell you that you'll have 16 winners and 4 losers. So you should be prepared for that. You should know that when
Yes.
you look, something stopped out. You understand? Because
Yes.
people will get going, and then when it stops out on them, and they don't make no money right away, they're like, "This don't work."
Yeah.
Give it time, because it tells you it's going to miss 4 times. That's why you have a risk management schedule. Do
Yes.
you have a risk management schedule
The
strategy? I mean,
the one that you showed on one of your videos, the source, the secret source, I think is the
uh huh,
topic,
uh huh,
with that risk management spreadsheet.
mm-hmm.
I plan
Okay,
on going by that.
okay. I'm
And
gonna look at.
mhm,
I'm gonna review that video, and I'm gonna do some more teaching on risk management,
mhm,
because this morning the bot was wrong. I was running on a 30% win rate this morning with the bot. It was devastating. I couldn't believe it. This son of a bitch couldn't pick a currency to go up in my direction to save my life this morning. But I knew, just hold on, because it told me expect a few losses. So
mhm.
I just sat back and waited, and I said, okay, the wins will come. So when that happened, that's another secret. I don't want to get too far ahead with you. But when I lost, it's just like a hand of poker to me. All right, I'm gonna raise my bet this time because the cards are coming in my favor.
Mhm.
Well, when this thing stops out on you, don't get upset. I mean, it stopped out on me. I was mad because it was $3 stop out, and I didn't mean for it to happen. I went to sleep, but it's gonna happen.
Yes.
And if you don't prepare your mind for it when you see it that it didn't happen, or what's wrong? Why has it been 9 times now? Because my first like 6 trades was stopping out, and I couldn't figure out what the hell was wrong until I
Mhm,
realized I had to change my stop loss and
mhm.
move it to 150. But I got you back. You're in the Discord. You can hit me up in the chat. You can hit me up in private chat and ask any question you need.
Okay.
Uh, you can take a screenshot of your screen and tell me what the problem is, and I'll be able to point you to whatever you need to do
Okay.
next. Sounds
Okay.
good?
Sounds good. Thank you
Hey,
so much. And thank
I
you
got to
to
try to sell you real quick. Are you
okay.
an ape? Are you an ape?
An 8?
Ape, APE. Do you know what an ape is? AMC apes? Are you an AMC shareholder?
No, I'm not.
Oh, we're gonna make you a believer before it's over with. Because we're
Okay.
we're the apes. We're the AMC apes. And we're the
Okay.
shareholders of AMC. Boy, you just ain't seen none of them videos. Those are some crazy videos back in the day when I'm talking about AMC. Just no news to talk about anymore. Repeat the same thing over and over. I mean, I like the views, but I'm not gonna just keep people watching videos, the same videos over and over and over again. So I had to find something else. And somebody suggested the bot. And I said, hey, let's do it. So I will freshen up on MetaTrader 5 tonight when I wake up. Tomorrow, 2 days from now, I'll be an expert in it for you. I'll be able to help point you out to anything you need. Also, don't forget, with any questions, they have an awesome, awesome support team. All
Yes.
right. You email them the next morning, and usually, because they work at the same time I do, I stay up all night. So I
Mhm.
email them in the middle of the night, and within 10 minutes, I got a reply because they're in the office because where they at.
Right, because 'cause they're, like,
Uh,
in Italy or something,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
Different in Europe,
yeah,
some totally different
exactly.
time zone. Mhm.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. So when I email them, I get a response right back. But if you email them, you're going to have a response by the next day on any
Yes.
questions that you have concerning your bot.
Yes, you're absolutely right. Because I do have an appointment scheduled for next week. And like you said, when I emailed them, they emailed me, like, within 24 hours back.
That's right.
And
And
so
any question I've had, same way. And they got a forum too
yes.
uh, that I've went to, but I prefer my Discord. It's
Mhm.
more like people there are right there live talking and stuff.
Mhm.
All right. Any other questions before we leave?
I think I'm good for now. I was asking the questions that were coming to mind as we were going along. I'm going to continue to learn and explore and navigate on my own as well. And I just thank you and thank you, to the Discord family for allowing me to take up some of your time. And I appreciate you for dedicating some time to me for this. I deeply appreciate it. And I look forward to growing and building and having losses and just having a little more profit than losses, but they go hand in hand. It's like yin and yang, day and night. You
Watch
gotta have both. You
Watch
gotta
my video that I'm going to be doing. In fact, I'll share my screen real quick for
okay.
everybody to see. What happened today? Oh, it was a bloodbath first thing in the morning. Good God. Or I say first thing in the morning at 5 o'clock Friday evening, Sunday evening. I need to change that to Sunday. Sunday evening, the market opened, and man, did it crush me. We was having huge losses here, and I say huge. $1.61, 223, 96 cents. I'm used to using just the lot size of 0.10. Remember, Caroline?
Mhm.
Well,
Yes.
see, I'm bumped up to 3 now, so my losses, they're not 10 cents no more; they're $1. So
Hmm.
when you bump up your lots, so your profits and your losses. But it killed me right here. But I had a little turnaround and they slammed me again. I got stopped out on 3 of these. All 3 of these stopped out on me. And I was like,
Hmm.
son of a bitch, I just can't win today. And then the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the next 8 in a row has been hits. And I got one that hit while we were talking. So we got another win to add. But right now, that ought to put us about 68%. And at 66.67%, I am up 2% on the original start of the portfolio.
Hmm.
So a 2% increase in 24 hours, really in about 17 hours, is amazing. I'm not
Yes.
stopping till I get to 3% tonight. Because this means you can double your money every 60 days
Yes.
if you have these kind of returns. But look at the big hits I took, $1.61. Them are big hits to me too. Because
Hmm.
like I said, I started off with just 10 cents.
Hmm.
And now I'm moving up here, but I'm getting used to that dollars. And pretty soon the 223 is going to be $22.30 green. But that's where we're at today. 2% up so far. I got one more to add in. It was $1.12, I think. My next goal is $434. So we're $4 away from it. About 3 transactions.
Hmm.
We'll get this sucker to $500 in no time.
Yep. Yep.
Any
Your
other questions?
spreadsheet. I think I'm good so far. I'm good, for now.
You can
And
access them spreadsheets for free and just
okay.
copy it and go put it in a Google spreadsheet, delete my numbers, and you got the outline and the format for it already made.
Yes. Yep. That's awesome. Thank you. I am gonna do that. I'm gonna take you
All
up
right.
on.
Look, Bad Ape 77, we see you. Alexandria, Grandpa Barney, good to see you. Thank you for your donation. Alexandria, that donation is going to pay for ChatGPT, Grandpa Barney. Because I love ChatGPT. Dogs Boomer saying it's time for me to go for a walk. So, got to end the live stream.
Okay. Well, thank you
You want to
again.
say
Thank you
goodbye?
all. I think we're
Thank you
good for
all.
now. Thank you. Thank you again.
All right. We will see you again. And Miss Caroline will be back, I'm sure. Love y'all. Be
Yes.
blessed. And I'll see you in the next.